If you came to this site, PetPeePee, you're probably having a dog or cat that's urinated on Oriental rug, drapery, area rug, and you are looking for the right service to remove the urine odor permanently the right way. Let me show you amazing system that's cleaned the Oriental rug, area rug, wool rug through the rug. It's mean everything then it's in the rug has been washed the right way without touching the rug, without the scrubber and all the heavy machine that cause damage to the rug. We use the Dead Sea minerals, that it's odor-free, soap-free, organic, and we're using the vacuum floor machine. I invented the system and I take a lot of pride of it. Take a look at my review on Google and on Angie's List. Write 5-star review or A. Thank you for watching. PetPeePee nationwide Oriental rug cleaning from dog and cat urine odor. Thank you.
My dog peed on the carpet and I don't know what to do. My mother said PetPeePee works and it guarantees it too. PetPeePee.